Planning a birthday party with a friend.
Guess what? My birthday is next Saturday.
Really? That's great. Do you have any plans?
Not yet. I was hoping we could plan something together.
Of course. Do you want a big party or a small one?
I prefer a small party with close friends.
That sounds nice. Where do you want to have it?
Maybe at my apartment or in a small cafe.
Your apartment is cozy, but a cafe is less work for you.
True. I don't want to cook for many people.
How many friends do you want to invite?
Maybe 10 or 15 people, not more.
Then a cafe could work well.
Do you know a good place for that?
There is a nice cafe near the park. It has a back room.
Can we reserve that room for the evening?
I think so. We should call them and ask.
What about the time? Early evening or later?
Maybe from 5 to 8. That's comfortable for everyone.
Yes, not too late. Some people work on Sunday.
Will you want a birthday cake?
Of course, I love chocolate cake.
We can order one with your name on it.
That would be wonderful.
What about presents? Do you want anything special?
I don't need big gifts.
Just having friends there is enough.
That's sweet.
Maybe we'll still surprise you a little.
I'm already excited.
What kind of music do you like for the party?
Something light, not too loud. People should still talk.
Right. We can make a playlist with your favorite songs.
Great idea. I'll choose some songs tonight.
Do you want to play any games or just talk and eat?
Maybe 1 or 2 simple games, but mostly talk and relax.
That sounds perfect for a small group.
Can you help me send the invitations?
Sure, we can make a group chat and invite people there.
Let's do that after we confirm the cafe.
Okay, I'll call the cafe tomorrow and ask about the room.
Thank you so much for helping me.
You're welcome. I'm happy to plan your birthday with you.
Asking about gym membership.
Hi, welcome to Personal Best Gym. Can I help you with something?
Hi, yes. I'd like some information about membership.
Of course. Are you interested in monthly or yearly membership?
I'm not sure yet. What is the difference in price?
Monthly is $50 per month. Yearly is $600.
So if I pay for a year, I save some money?
Yes, it's like getting 2 months free.
What is included in the membership?
You can use all machines, the pool, and the classes.
Classes too? What kind of classes do you have?
We have yoga, spinning, Zumba, and strength training classes.
That sounds good. Are classes free for members?
Yes, they're included. You just need to book a spot.
How do I book a class?
You can book on our app or at the front desk.
What are your opening hours?
We're open from 6:30 in the morning to 10 at night.
Are you open on weekends too?
Yes, but on weekends, we close at 10 in the evening.
That's still fine. Is there someone to help me with machines?
Yes, we have trainers here from 8 to 8 every day.
Do I have to pay extra for a trainer?
General help is free, but personal training sessions cost extra.
How much is one personal training session?
One session is $35, or you can buy a package.
I might try one session first.
No problem. We can arrange that later.
Do you have lockers and showers?
Yes, we have lockers, showers, and a small sauna.
That's great. Is there a fee for the locker?
Lockers are free, but you need your own lock.
I can bring one. Can I see the gym before deciding?
Sure, I can give you a short tour.
That would be helpful.
Here is the cardio area, with treadmills and bikes.
It looks clean and modern.
Over there is the weight area, with dumbbells and machines.
There are many options. I like that.
So, would you like to join today?
Yes, I think I'll start with a monthly membership.
Great. Please fill in this form with your details.
Okay, I'll write my name, address, and email here.
You can pay at the desk when you're done.
Perfect. Thank you for all the information.
You're welcome. We're happy to have you as a member.
Visiting the doctor.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
Good morning, doctor. I think I have a bad cold.
I see. How long have you felt sick?
I started feeling unwell 4 days ago.
What symptoms do you have?
I have a cough, a sore throat, and a blocked nose.
Do you have a fever as well?
Yesterday, I had a small fever, but not today.
Any headache or pain in your body?
Yes, my head hurts a little, and I feel tired.
Have you taken any medicine so far?
I took some cold tablets from the pharmacy.
Did they help you at all?
A little, but I still feel quite bad.
Do you have any allergies to medicine?
No, I don't have any allergies that I know of.
Do you smoke or drink alcohol often?
I don't smoke, and I only drink sometimes.
All right, I will listen to your chest now.
Okay, should I take off my jacket?
Yes, please take a deep breath in.
Like this.
Yes, and now breathe out slowly.
All right.
Your lungs sound clear. That is good.
So it's just a normal cold?
It seems like a viral cold, nothing serious.
I'm glad to hear that. I was a bit worried.
I will give you some cough syrup and cold tablets.
How often should I take them?
Take the tablets 3 times a day after food.
And the cough syrup?
Take 2 small spoons before you go to bed.
Will it make me sleepy?
Yes, a little, so don't drive after taking it.
Okay, I will take it only at night.
Also, drink plenty of water and rest when you can.
Can I go to work, or should I stay home?
If you feel very tired, stay home tomorrow.
I understand.
If your fever comes back or your cough gets worse, come again.
All right. Should I call or just visit?
You can call first and we will give you a time.
Thank you for explaining everything so clearly.
You're welcome. I hope you feel better soon.
Me too. I will follow your advice.
Here is your prescription. Take it to the pharmacy.
Thank you, doctor. Have a nice day.
You too. Take care of yourself. Ordering food delivery by phone. Hello, Pizza Corner? How can I help you?
Hello. I'd like to order food for delivery, please.
Certainly. Can I have your phone number first?
Yes. It's 879-454-51.
Thank you. And your address, please?
Apartment 12B, Green Park Building on River Street.
Got it. What would you like to order today?
I'd like one large margarita pizza.
Would you like any extra toppings on that?
Yes, please add mushrooms and olives.
All right. Anything else besides the pizza?
Yes, one garlic bread and a small salad.
We have mixed salad or Greek salad. Which do you prefer?
I'll take the mixed salad, please.
Do you want any drinks with your order?
Yes, one bottle of sparkling water.
Okay, so one large margarita with mushrooms and olives, one garlic bread, one mixed salad, and one sparkling water.
That's correct. How much is the total?
The total is $20, including delivery.
Do you accept card on delivery or only cash?
You can pay by cash or card when the driver arrives.
Great. How long will the delivery take?
About 35 to 40 minutes, depending on traffic.
That's fine. I'm at home all evening.
Would you like any chili flakes or extra sauce?
Yes, some chili flakes, please.
No problem. We'll add them to the bag.
Thank you.
Just to confirm, your name is John?
My name is John.
Thank you, John. Your order will arrive soon.
If there is any problem, will you call me?
Yes, we'll call your number if we have questions.
Perfect. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your meal. Talking to a landlord about a leaking sink. Hello, Mr. Smith. Do you have a minute to talk?
Of course. Is something wrong with the apartment?
Yes, the sink in the kitchen is leaking.
I'm sorry to hear that. Since when has it been leaking?
I noticed the leak 2 days ago.
Is it a small drip or a big leak?
At first, it was just a drip, but now it's much worse.
Does the water go onto the floor?
Yes, the floor gets wet if I use the sink.
Have you turned off the water under the sink?
No, I didn't know I could do that.
There is a small valve under the sink. You can close it.
I'll do that after we finish talking.
Good idea. I will call a plumber this afternoon.
Thank you. Will the plumber come today?
If he is free, he will come this evening.
Should I stay at home and wait?
Yes, please stay in. He may call you before arriving.
All right. Is there any cost for me?
No, this kind of repair is my responsibility.
I appreciate that. I was worried about the money.
Don't worry, you are a good tenant.
Thank you. Should I not use the sink until it's fixed?
Yes, try not to use it so it doesn't get worse.
Okay, I'll wash dishes in the bathroom for now.
I'm sorry for the inconvenience.
It's all right. Old pipes can have problems.
After the plumber comes, please let me know what he says.
I will. I'll send you a message after he leaves.
Very good. Anything else wrong with the apartment?
No, everything else is fine. I'm happy here.
I'm glad to hear that. We'll fix the sink soon.
Thank you very much for your quick help.
You're welcome. Talk to you later today.